Hey guys, welcome back to SlimeyMonkey. My voice is gonna sound weird this video because I am sick. But that's okay guys, I was dying to do a video since I haven't done it in a while. So here I am. Today's video is how I do my slimes with gel glue. And I absolutely love these slimes, they're always so amazing. So that's why I was dying to show you guys my recipe. So what you're going to need is a bowl to mix in. You're also going to need Elmer's gel glue, and you need this specific glue to make this slime. I'm going to be using 2 just to make a bigger batch, but you only need 1. You are also going to need a mixing tool. I'm using my spatula, and you're going to need activator. I'm using a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of warm water. So we're going to start off with a bowl and 1 bottle of glue, and you're just going to add all the glues that you're using. Next you're going to put in your activator, and you're going to need to do this really slowly because gel glue does come together super quick, and if you add too much borax, it's going to be a really bad slime. Once your slime starts to clump up like mine did, you're going to want to take the slime off of your spatula and start kneading the slime with your hand. As you saw before, I was only kneading the slime with 1 hand, but now I'm kneading it with 2 to make the process go quicker and make the slime better. Now, this is obviously not mandatory, but I wanted to make it look a little bit prettier, so I decided to add some glitter. So I feel like the slime kind of darkened from all the glitter, so I did add blue food coloring to make it look a lot better. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Make sure to check out my Etsy and my slime Instagram, which are on the screen, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more. I am going to have a giveaway at 65 subscribers and 200 followers on my Instagram, so get excited for that. There's going to be 3 winners, and yeah, bye guys!